Fresh into stock this afternoon, part of our hail sale. So that's very, very minor marks with major savings. So very, very small hail marks, and most of the time you really wouldn't be able to see it. So this is an MY23 Toyota Rav4 GX 2-wheel drive. I can't see any hail marks on the bonnet or the side of the car. As far as the roof goes, I think there's one tiniest little mark there. Like seriously, if you didn't say it was a hail sale. There's one, two, couple at the back here. Really, really hard to see. You'll only get them at the right angle, and they're just the tiniest little fingerprint mark. So very, very minor marks. So MY23 Rav4 GX 2-wheel drive. Balance of 5 years, Toyota warranty plus an additional 12 months warranty from Car Hero Plus. Finance is available via our sister company, Finance Hero Plus, and trade-in is available. There's no marks on the boot. We've literally got a few marks on the roof. That's it, but really, really hard to see. Really hard to see. The rest of the car is like new. The sides, the bonnet, the boot lid. There's no marks on it at all. Roadworthy's just been done. 32,400 kilometers. Next service due next year. It's like the third month, or 45,000 Ks. So I think the service has just been done. So GX 2-wheel drive, MY23 Rav4 in beautiful condition. Yeah, part of our hail sale, but any marks are incredibly hard to see. Available for immediate delivery.